I'd like to talk to you today about how to alter all the documents in Microsoft Word 2003. When you want to do that, number one, you notice here our toolbars are all in one line. And if you don't like that and you want to change it, go to Tools, go to Customize, and right here, show standard and formatting toolbars on 2 rows. And there they are. Now, this is the title bar. This is the menu bar where it says File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Table, Window, Help, because those are words. This is your standard toolbar, New, Open, Save, and this is the formatting toolbar where it has the AA, says Normal, Times New Roman, and 12 points, and then you have bold, the big B, I for italic, and U for underline, then the alignments. However, we can go into Tools and Options, and this is the Startup Task pane. The Startup Task pane is this thing, the Task pane. I'm going to click the little house, and that's what always comes up when you are opening Microsoft Office. If you would like to not see that, all you have to do is remove the check mark, and the next time you open up Microsoft Word, that will disappear. That will not open. In order to turn that off and on, hold down your Control key and press F1. That will turn it off. That is a keyboard shortcut. To turn it back on, hold down the Control key, press F1. Or use the little X right there. The next thing you want to do is, let's go to Tools, Options, and right in here, Formatting Marks. If I put a check mark in each one of these, they will all turn on, or just the ones you want will turn on. However, if you put a check mark in all of them will turn on, but they will never print. They're only visual cues for you, so you can see what you're doing. The next one, Print and Web Layout Options, right here where it says Text Boundaries. If you put a check mark there, and I'm going to click OK, look at that. Now we have a text boundary. This actually shows you the margins. The margin, the top margin is 1 inch, the bottom is 1 inch. I'll go up here to the zoom. The top and bottom are 1 inch, and the left and right are 1.25. Now, if you want to turn off the show and hide, which is a backward P, just click right there. That'll turn it off. However, if you need to turn off the text boundary, then you have to go under Tools, Options, Text Boundaries. There you go. They've completely disappeared. So, the reason you will need this is because later on we're going to get into putting some text on the page. And I'll show you what happens when you don't turn those on. All right, I'm going to go back and turn on the text boundaries. The next thing you want to look at under Tools, Options, is under General. Here, recently used file list. Well, your default is 4. However, you are entitled to have 9 documents open at the same time if you tell it 9. All right? And that means that right here at the end, that's where your documents are going to be. Tools and Options again. Under Edit, Insert Paste Pictures As. This is in line with text. This is where you can control how your clip art or photographs come out. Right now the default is in line with text. So if I go to Insert, Picture, Clip Art, and when I click, I get the picture toolbar and I get these little handles right here. This is in line with text. However, if I want I'm going to delete that. If I want my pictures or my clip art to come out the other way, in front of text, all I have to do is change it from in here, click here, and this time, when I click on it, my little handles are white and circular. And it's easy to move around. And it's easy to resize. So that's how you get to change how the clip art and the photographs come in. Tools, options. The most important thing is saving. Now your default saves auto recover every 10 minutes. However, you really should change this in all of the Microsoft Office and all of the other ones and test it. I like to change it down to 1 minute, 2 minutes, depending, but I like 1 minute. And you should definitely change how that happens just in case there's a blackout or just in case something goes wrong with your computer and it crashes. So these are the very important things that you need to know. All right? Sign up for a class at lbbtraining.com and we'll go more in depth. Thank you.